In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an email in Google Docs. It's a quick and efficient process that will streamline your email writing experience, especially if you're already working within a Google Doc, managing multiple inputs, or collaborating on content creation. So let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. You can easily find it by typing Google Docs into your search engine and clicking on the link that appears. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, go ahead and sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. This will give you access to all your saved documents and any new ones you create. Now that you're in, you have the option to create a new document or open one that you've already been working on. If you choose to create a new document, look for the familiar blank page icon and click to start fresh. If you prefer working with an existing document, find it in your list of files and open it up. With your document open, you can use a handy shortcut to prepare an email draft right inside Google Docs. Simply type @email into your document and press enter. Doing so will instantly generate an email draft template. Alternatively, you can navigate to the top menu, click on Insert, then Building Blocks, and finally select Email Draft. Both methods will get you to the same place. Once the email template is in place, you'll see fields similar to what you'd encounter in your Gmail account. In the To field, you can begin by typing @ to search through your Google contacts, making it easy to add recipients without leaving your document. Of course, you can also manually enter email addresses if you prefer. Beneath that field, it's time to add a subject line that captures the essence of your message. Then, in the main body area, draft the content of your email. This space functions like any regular text document, so feel free to adjust formatting, add images, or include links as necessary. If you're collaborating on the email, Google Docs makes it simple to invite others to review your draft. Use comments and suggestions to gather feedback or make adjustments without altering the original text. Once you're satisfied with your draft, look for the blue Gmail icon located at the top left of the email draft template. Clicking this will open a new Compose window in Gmail with your draft seamlessly transferred into the appropriate fields. Double-check the details, make any final tweaks, and when everything looks good, hit Send. And if you decide you're not quite ready to send it off, rest assured your draft will automatically be saved in your Gmail Drafts folder for you to revisit at any time. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to draft and send emails using Google Docs, all in under 5 minutes. This feature is perfect for when you need to gather input from a team or prefer drafting longer messages in a more flexible environment. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.